Hey guys, we're back again with another short video, and in this video I will share to you the best PC cleaner for your Mac or Windows device. So this PC cleaner will enhance the performance of your computer, and the best part is it doesn't have any kind of RAM leakage that any other antivirus cleaner have. So memory or RAM leakage is when we install antivirus cleaner or applications and it takes lots of resources and space or memory from our device. So the name of the product I will share is Avira Optimizer for Mac OS, and the safest way to download and install this one to avoid ending up with downloading add-ons or going with the wrong website is to go or to download from the manufacturer's website itself. And to do that, we need to open our browser, and in here we need to type for the URL section google.com. Okay, so once this site is open, in the search tab we need to type for Mac Windows Optimizer Avira. And from here we need to select for the site itself so that we come up or we will arrive at the manufacturer site. So I will click on this one, and then you will be redirected with the site. Avira System Speed Up, the top optimizer for Windows. And to download this software or product, just click on this green button here that says download for free. So discover a PC cleaner that speeds up and wipes your online traces. And the features include Startup Optimizer, boot faster, junk file cleaner, remove all the clutter from your device, and one-click optimization. Simple and easy to use. You can also download it for your Windows. You can also download it for your Windows, for your mobiles, and for your Mac or iOS devices. Okay, so all you need to do after downloading is to install it in your device, and you now have a free optimizer for your Windows or device. Okay, so I hope you learned something from this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.